Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Wells Fargo to Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Link Banks. Then choose Link Debit Card and enter your Wells Fargo debit card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. If you'd rather link your bank directly, tap No Card, then Continue. From the list, select Wells Fargo or type it in the search bar if you don't see it. Then log in using your Wells Fargo online banking details. Once your Wells Fargo account is linked, go back to the home screen and tap the Banking tab. Select Add Cash, enter the amount you want to transfer, and tap Add. And that's it. The money will move from your Wells Fargo account to your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.